Hello everyone, welcome back to Cooking Clean and Everything Between. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any other video from my channel. Let's get into it. Today I have for you an easy and delicious Jamaican punch recipe, or what I like to call Rose's carrot juice. Make sure to check what Rose's Kitchen is all about. I will put her channel and video link on the description box for you. Let's check what you will need for this recipe. Carrots, any stout beer, condensed milk, Nutriment or skim milk, nutmeg and cinnamon, and vanilla extract. Start by washing, peeling, slicing, and bringing your carrots to a boil. You will need to boil the carrots for about 20 minutes or until the carrots are nice and tender. After 20 minutes, or if they are nice and tender, drain and let them cool. Now it's blender time. Add to the blender the carrots, the Nutriment or any milk or skim milk of your liking, the condensed milk, this stout beer, and you will see the one I'm using here, but you can use any stout beer you have. The cinnamon and nutmeg, and last but not least, the vanilla extract. Blend it all together for about 3 minutes or so. And it's time to serve. You can serve this delicious Jamaican punch or Rose's juice over ice or chilled. I will be serving over ice because I could not wait to try it. And here you have it, an easy and delicious Jamaican carrot punch or Rose's juice. Rose, thank you so much for sharing this recipe with all of us. And as Rose always says, one love. And for all of you, if you're still watching, make sure to like this video and leave a comment to let me know how I'm doing. As always, I'm so grateful to have you in my kitchen. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Ciao!